we're here.
Saan?
Almost here to the S sign.
To the S.
Let's go to the S.
S sign or S way?
Almost to the S way.
S way.
No.
Wait, I saw the green and the blue sign.
Oh, what's that mean?
That means we're at Imus.
That means we're at Amos. 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 Hello, Zari.
Kuya, make the right way.
Ano, saan na yun? Nawawala na tayo. Nakasiguy agad siya ng kanta. Okay, wala pa rin na. Mali pa rin. Mali pa rin yung road. Ha? Talagang chinecheck niya yung kalsada. Oh. Kung may makita siyang sign na alam niya.
I think it's wrong or right.
Is it wrong or is it right?
Let's see if it's wrong or right.
Let's see, okay.
Kuya, do the right way. I think we're lost.
Hindi niya alam eh. Hindi niya kilala yung lugar.
That brother is having this. It's holding it. I think he got a bad eyesight.
Why?
Because he didn't know where the right way is.
May bad eyesight na si Kuya.
Kuya, I think you got a bad eyesight.
Saan yun ako yun?
Lima po. Bago na maglima.
Kakanood siguro ng YouTube yan.
Hindi, apa nagbabalag po ito. Ganito po ito siya. Matanda yun talaga ito siya. Ito na yung school mo, oh.
Oh, dito pala school mo, oh.
Ay,
You remember
hindi.
this?
Parang hindi. Ay, oo nga, ito na. Oh.
I think he is doing the right thing.
Yay!
I think you're not lost.
Oh, ano sabihin mo kay Kuya?
Thank you for finding the right way, Kuya.
Hindi siya nakatulog eh. Diyan po siya paaralin. Mag-kinder pa lang. Dinadala na kasi namin doon eh. Para paalam na niya.
About that? You
Oh!
remember that?
Remember that cafe?
Wow!
That's your favorite cafe.
And even a cappuccino.
Oh yeah.
Sino ka talaga?
Ay naku, sorry. Tawa ko sa'yo.
Where are we going next?
Where are we going now?
Home.
Home now. Diba? Sumandal niya sa akin. Alam na niya yung road. Kanina wala eh. Talagang tinitingnan niya yung road. Ay, sorry.
Maybe I think this is the right way.
Okay, this is the right way, yeah.
We're here.
That means we're here. Okay, o saan pa?
Kanan.
Kanan. Tama ba to, Zari?
Yes, no, but no. Go to the right.
Late ka naman, gaya-gaya ka lang eh.
O sunod, saan naliliko si Kuya? Saan na? Kaliwa, kanan?
Left.
Very good.
Go to the left.
Okay, kaliwa. Tapos? Tapos?
Ah, nandiyan ang truck.
Go over to the right.
Diretso. Oh, thank you. Say thank you na kay Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya.